Perfect Robotics is robotics and industrial automation company in Pune, Maharashtra, India. It is started by Mr. Dadasaheb Attar, having 15 plus years experience in robotics and industrial automation. The perfect engineering strength enables Perfect Robotics to be a perfect automation solution provider, from conceptualizing, designing and supporting advanced factory automation systems. It provides its customers with the solutions they need to enhance productivity and achieve their manufacturing goals. The perfect engineering strength enables Perfect Robotics to be a complete solution provider, from conceptualizing, designing, manufacturing, assembly, implementing, erection, commissioning and supporting advanced robotics and factory automation systems.